Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info System LLP, your ultimately source of all ERP system. Today we will discuss about accounting report in version 18. What is the new features in accounting reports in Odoo? So let's start. Here you can see the report of balance sheet. Here you can see the new option for this, the split horizontally report. So to your balance sheet is divided in two parts, assets and liability. Here you can see this is the assets and assets total, and here you can see split in liability. You can add your, here you can see the changes of the date filter. You can select for today, for the particular month. You can also add a quarter change, like so easy. Very quickly, just you need to change a quarter and change the value. Here you can see there is some change in here. You can just click and see your report. Here you can, if you want to choose a particular date, and your report will be considered as this particular date. Show you. Now to the next report, profit and loss. Here you can see the new option is budget. Here you can add your budget. Like if you want to add test, you can see. Just need to click. If you create a new, like test 2, just create, and here you can see test 2 is added here. If you want to so not only for this, if you want to change in this particular, you just need to go here and you can add your account, method, month and amount. It's so easy. So you can set your balance sheet as per your requirement, and you can set your budget as per your requirement. That is the comparison option. There is custom date option as well. Here you can see test 2023, 23, 24 automatically generated. If you are adding here, test 2 is not Oh, it's unclick. Sorry. So here you can see edit easy. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.